The new Drone T3 enters the market as an exciting option for aspiring aerial photographers and drone enthusiasts, particularly those just starting out. This quadcopter boasts impressive features like an 8K HD dual camera, 5G GPS capabilities, and intelligent obstacle avoidance, all packed into a user-friendly design. It aims to deliver a professional-grade aerial photography experience without the steep learning curve. Key features and performance highlights. Stunning 8K HD dual camera system. The T3 is equipped with an 8K HD camera as its primary lens, promising incredibly detailed photos and videos. While the exact resolution for video output might differ from the still photo capability, often common in this class, typically 4K video from an 8K sensor, the sheer pixel count ensures high-quality visuals. The drone also features a dual camera setup for versatile shooting. Crucially, the main camera is electrically adjustable by the remote control from 0 degrees to 180 degrees, allowing for dynamic upward, downward, and flat shooting angles, giving pilots unprecedented control over their framing. Upgraded optical flow positioning for easy control, a significant enhancement for beginners. The T3 incorporates a newly upgraded optical flow positioning system. This technology helps the drone maintain a stable hover indoors and outdoors, in calm conditions, greatly reducing the difficulty of operation. Combined with a more user-friendly remote control system, even novice pilots can quickly master control, leading to a relaxed and enjoyable aerial photography experience. Intelligent obstacle avoidance. Fly with greater confidence thanks to the T3's built-in obstacle detection. During flight, the drone can autonomously detect obstacles in advance and automatically respond to avoid collisions and crashes. This protective feature is invaluable for safeguarding the drone and ensuring a smoother flight path, especially in more complex environments. Responsive and agile flight performance. Powered by a 716 motor and 4000 kV electrical regulation, the T3 offers responsive flight. It features a new generation flight control system that allows beginners to quickly master skills like stunt rolling, 3D flip, speed control, and trajectory flight. This enables unique and stylish aerial maneuvers, even in smaller spaces. Real-time 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission. Connect your mobile phone to the drone via its 2.4G Wi-Fi, likely supporting 5G signal for faster transmission between drone and phone, for real-time FPV, first-person view. The stable signal transmission provides smooth and clear real-time video, immersing you in the aerial perspective up to 100 meters away, enhancing your aerial photography experience. The remote control uses 2.4 GHz for command signals, ensuring a control distance of up to 150 meters. Convenient and smart features. Gesture shooting. Hand video recognition. Simply use hand gestures from 1 to 5 meters away to trigger photo capture or video recording, allowing for intuitive, hands-free operation. One key takeoff and landing simplifies the most crucial flight maneuvers. Altitude hold. Pressure sensor maintains a consistent altitude for stable hovering. Headless mode eliminates the need to worry about the drone's orientation, making it easier for beginners to pilot. Trajectory flight. Draw a path on your screen, and the drone will follow it automatically for cinematic shots. Wide-angle lens captures expansive images that often exceed the capabilities of ordinary cameras, creating stunning visual effects. Durable and portable design. The T3 is lightweight at 72 grams and features a compact, foldable design. It comes with paddle protection, making it safe and durable against small bumps, allowing for flexible movement in both indoor and outdoor spaces with reduced noise. Decent flight time. The 3.7V 1800 mAh smart lithium battery provides approximately 12 minutes of flight time on a single 60-minute charge. The new Drone T3 is positioned as an excellent entry-level professional drone. It successfully bridges the gap between basic toy drones and more complex professional models by offering sophisticated features like an 8K HD camera with remote adjustability, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and advanced flight modes, all within an easy-to-control system. For those seeking to venture into aerial photography with confidence and achieve impressive results without a significant upfront investment or steep learning curve, the T3 presents itself as a compelling gift and a capable UAV. Like and subscribe if you love drone tech, and tell us, what's your must-have drone feature in 2025?